Hey people, for the first time in human history, we now have the tools to detect that we are not alone in the universe. Back when I worked on a film for PBS Nova, we revealed that our sun is in fact quite average. The stars in our galaxy that are richer with the building blocks of organic life, carbon and oxygen. And now we know that most stars in our galaxy have planets. More and more exoplanets have been discovered, and quite a few of them are in the so-called Goldilocks zone. Not too hot, not too cold, where liquid water can form, and maybe that could be the building blocks of some organic life. It will undoubtedly be life, Jim, but not as we know it. Very few of these life forms will actually use technology. Most of the life forms on Earth are very happy not to drive a Tesla. Ask my goat Wallace. But people like Jean-Michel Gaultier are missing the point. Okay, BLC-1 might not turn out to be an excellent case of a technological signature, but we now have the tools to find different types of signatures. The James Webb Space Telescope can do spectral analysis of reflected light off exoplanets that might well detect life in its atmosphere. Brand new AI-filtered networked radio telescopes that now have been built on our planet are today far more sensitive than the single dish that found the BLC-1 signal a few years ago. We live in interesting times. And astrophysicists all over the world, from Chile to South America to Australia and Astrum in Netherlands, are searching for extraterrestrial intelligence in novel ways. The Vatican are now forced to make a statement about the confirmation of ET. The British government have commissioned science reports on it, and other countries such as China and Russia are pouring money into the search for SETI. It's not a matter of if, it's a matter of when. But let me clear a couple of things up. BLC-1 signal might not be the signal that reveals that we are alone in the universe. It will be one of many. That's how science works. We don't believe in our results. We actually kill our babies. We look at a list and eliminate the obvious. What is left might be the answer. Hey folks, welcome to a brand new world. Ignore the naysayers. We are on the cusp of proving that Earthlings are not the only life form in our galaxy. Keep looking up. Keep your eyes on the skies and listen to people doing good research of what's actually happening in science in 2024. Subscribe, like, and remember, because of your input, the truth can be out there.
50 years ago, the journey to find answers took a different path, and SETI, the search for extraterrestrial intelligence, began. So what exactly is SETI? Well, SETI uses the tools of astronomy to try and find evidence of someone else's technology out there. Our own technologies are visible over interstellar distances, and theirs might be as well. It might be that some massive network of communications, or some shield against asteroidal impact, or some huge astroengineering project that we can't even begin to conceive of, could generate signals at radio or optical frequencies that a determined program of searching might detect. For millennia, we've actually turned to the priests and the philosophers for guidance and instruction on this question of whether there's intelligent life out there. Now we can use the tools of the 21st century to try and observe what is, rather than ask what should be believed.